In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable closed captions on YouTube TV so you can enjoy your favorite shows, movies, or live streams with subtitles. Closed captions are a great way to follow along, especially in noisy environments or if you're watching something with dialogue that's hard to understand. Let's get started. To turn on closed captions, start by playing any video on YouTube TV. Once the video is running, look for the CC icon in the playback controls at the bottom of the screen. Click the CC button to enable captions. If the CC icon isn't visible, it means captions aren't available for that specific content. For live TV, captions are often generated automatically, but pre-recorded shows usually have pre-written subtitles. If you want to customize the appearance of the captions, click the Settings gear icon, usually located near the playback controls, and select Subtitles CC from the menu. Here, you can adjust settings like font size, color, background opacity, and text style to suit your preferences. These changes will apply to all videos where captions are available. For a more permanent solution, you can enable captions by default. Go to the YouTube TV app or website, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Settings. Look for the Accessibility or Playback Settings section and toggle on the option to always show closed captions. This ensures captions appear automatically whenever they're available. Keep in mind that some live broadcasts may only offer auto-generated captions, which might not always be perfectly accurate. However, for most pre-recorded content, the captions are reliable and professionally written. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more tips on customizing your streaming experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope enabling closed captions on YouTube TV makes your viewing experience more enjoyable. Don't forget to share this video with others who might find it helpful.